The two-stage vehicle executed a flawless departure from its launch site in Texas, propelling its upper section on a trajectory around the globe, ultimately leading to re-entry over the Indian Ocean. Although radio contact was lost toward the mission's conclusion, the company expressed satisfaction, stating it was incredible to see how far we advanced this time. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk also expressed delight with the flight's outcome. He shared on X, previously known as Twitter, that Starship will lead humanity to Mars. The rocket departed its launch pad with a tremendous roar from its 33 engines, proceeding to smoothly navigate through all anticipated stages of ascent into space. At 2 minutes and 44 seconds into the flight, separation between the bottom's half, the booster, and the top half, the ship, occurred precisely as planned. Continuing its journey, the ship traversed across the Atlantic Ocean and southern Africa. Video cameras transmitted breathtaking vistas of Earth from an altitude exceeding 100 miles. Following the ascent phase, the next challenge was re-entry, during which the ship had to descend for a splashdown in the ocean. Video footage captured astonishing moments as the vehicle was engulfed by hot gases just prior to the interruption of radio communication. Controllers subsequently reported that the ship had been lost, indicating a presumed breakup of the vehicle. Not all anticipated milestones were achieved. There were hopes that the booster, upon separation, could maneuver its way back for a controlled descent into the sea near the Texas coast. While it approached the target, it appeared that the vehicle descended too rapidly and made a forceful impact with the water. The ship was also anticipated to reignite an engine to commence the re-entry process, but this step was omitted for reasons not immediately clear. These matters can be revisited once all the data has been analyzed. The bottom line, however, is that engineers are confident that the development of the world's most potent rocket remains on course. Elon Musk has pledged perhaps 6 additional test flights this year. Starship represents a departure from any rocket system we've encountered thus far. With 33 engines situated at the base of the booster, it generates an astounding 74 meganewtons of thrust. This surpasses all previous vehicles, including those responsible for sending humans to the moon in the 1960s and 1970s. The potential perfection of Starship by engineers holds the promise of revolutionizing space travel. Designed to be fully and rapidly reusable, it aims to function akin to an airplane, capable of being refueled and relaunched swiftly. This capability, coupled with its ability to transport over 100 tons to orbit in a single mission, could significantly reduce the cost of space endeavors. For Elon Musk, Starship represents a crucial component of his Starlink project, which aims to establish a global network of broadband internet satellites. The new rocket's capability to deploy a significantly larger number of spacecraft for the network is anticipated to enhance the project's reach and effectiveness. Additionally, Starship will aid Elon Musk in realizing his long-standing ambition of transporting people and supplies to the Red Planet to establish a human settlement. Among the most attentive observers on Thursday were likely the U.S. space agency, NASA. Starship holds pivotal importance for NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return astronauts to the moon within this decade. A variant of Starship is envisioned to serve as the landing craft, facilitating the transportation of the crew from lunar orbit to the surface and subsequently lifting them off again. SpaceX must demonstrate its ability to manufacture a safe and reliable vehicle before astronauts are authorized to board. NASA has targeted late 2026 as the time frame for when it expects this to occur. Bill Nelson, the NASA administrator, released a statement on X saying, "Congrats to SpaceX on a successful test flight. Starship has soared into the heavens. Together, we are making great strides through Artemis to return humanity to the moon. Then look onward to Mars." The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, responsible for licensing commercial spaceflight in the U.S., promptly announced that a mishap investigation would be conducted following the mission. This is standard procedure, and SpaceX will lead the inquiry into what went well and what didn't. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more news updates.